Hello everybody, if you watch this video, please leave me a comment, leave me an emoji, possibly the heart because it's my favorite. It's gonna be a quick video. I will just bake my lunch. I'm gonna prepare one of my favorite pizzas, is the ham and mushroom, but it's gonna be a variation. I will stretch the base first and then I will tell you why it's a variation. Bear with me. My base is always like a margarita, tomato sauce and mozzarella. You will see it in 1 second. And ham and mushroom it is. This is my ham. Bear with me, I will tell you where's the variation in a while. I will be generous because this is my pizza. And here comes the mushrooms. Again, I'm very generous. But anyway, mushrooms tends to shrink a lot while we cook them, so it's okay to be a little bit generous. This is already a variation, but I'm gonna add my extra touch. These are hazelnuts, crumbled hazelnuts. And they match pretty well with the mushrooms. I'm gonna stick my pizza in the oven. In 2 seconds I'll come back and I will tell you a few special things. Hello! Now I'm going. Oh, Felicia, ciao! Can't wait to dig into. Thank you for buying my course, Felicia. Much appreciated. You will enjoy it. Okay, here is my special addition. This is not regular ham. This is roasted ham. You can probably notice this layer of fat all around, and there is this brownish golden brown part here, and this will give lots of taste and flavor to my ham. And to make my pizza even more even tastier, I've used some of these mushrooms. Hello, say hello to my mushroom. Look how brown they are. They are called chestnut mushrooms. I know my friends overseas in the US, they call it cremini mushroom. I don't even know if we call them somehow in Italy. And they taste stronger than some regular mushroom. Now these are pretty big. I like to slice them whole, just because I like to see the whole slice on top of my pizza. But since they are pretty big, you can also cut them in half. So you have 2 halves like this, and you just go. You will have the halves. I don't particularly like them. They seem like a small hammer, I don't know. I mean, if we don't care about the aesthetics, we don't really care. Those chestnut mushrooms, yes, Felix, they are chestnut mushrooms, between my favorite in the world. Now let me double check my pizza. Now my pizza is almost ready. Gonna give it another extra minute and I will show you how it appears. It's pretty yummy. It smells really amazing. I will probably add I will drizzle probably a little bit of extra virgin olive oil just to give the extra kick. Lunch is ready. There you go. Now I eat it. No, actually, first I cut it and then I eat it.